Good morning, students. I just came from market and there were the two different sellers who were selling mangoes. I asked the one seller how much. He said that 60 rupee kilo the mango cost, and the same mango another seller was selling for 40 rupees kilo. So definitely I decided that I wanted to have only 1 kilo because that was 60 if I afford, but I find that 40 rupees is quite affordable to me. So the seller who was selling the 40 rupees kg mango, I have took 2 kilos because less price and more quantity have purchased. So students, that those changes we can show on the demand curve theoretically, and it is there in your front. Just look at this board. You can see the movement along the demand curve. Movement along demand curve, that is changes in demand curve. There are two types of changes are taking place in the demand curve, and that changes took place because of price. When the price increases, demand contracts, and when the price decreases, demand expands. Therefore, we give the two terms expansion and contraction. You can see in this tree diagram where the change in quantity demanded due to change in price, and this change in price leads to movement along demand curve. This change in price leads to movement along demand curve. So either downward demand curve or upward demand curve. Now you will realize what is the upward demand curve. Demand curve always downwards, but what is the upward demand curve? You will see this on the diagram. So this downward demand curve also known as expansion movement, that is decrease due to decrease in price. So downward demand curve shows the expansion in demand, while upward demand curve shows contraction in demand due to increase in price. So same rule we are following here. Increase in price means demand curve contracts. It means demand decreases. You can see the same thing along these diagram, students, where it's clearly stated that when your price is P, which is original price, Q quantity is demanded in the market. But when your price goes up, increases, that is P from P to P2, then your quantity demanded in the market will be contracted. If you can see the original price P, where the quantity demanded in the market is Q, when the price falls down, your quantity demanded in the market also, you can see when the price falls down, your quantity demanded in the market increases, that is Q to Q1. So you can see at the increasing price level, your quantity is decreasing from the original quantity of Q, and when the prices is down P to P1, you can see that the quantity demanded in the market is increased, that is expansion. The same thing we can expect students in the market. When I seen that 60 kilo 1 kg, I was thinking of getting only 1 kg mango, but when I seen that 40 kg of mango, same quality, I decided to buy 2 kg of mango costing rupees 40 per kg. So it shows that expansion in demand due to contraction, due to changes in prices. Thank you, students.